storms that we had offshore have pretty much dissipated, but what's coming from behind us could get you a little wet tonight. Currently at the airport, it's 87 degrees, dew point 72, 61% humidity with a westerly sea breeze at 7 miles an hour. Our high this afternoon, not quite as warm as a few days ago, 92, still 2 degrees warmer than normal. Our last night's low was 77, a couple degrees warmer than normal. Take a look at the tropics real quickly. Computer models indicating maybe something trying to form off Africa next week, but conditions are so unfavorable across the Atlantic because of sheer and really strong trade winds that it doesn't hold much chance of holding together by the time it gets to the Caribbean. So that means the Caribbean will remain free of tropical storm activity for the next foreseeable future anyway, for the next week to 10 days, and the same for the Gulf of Mexico. But we need to stay prepared because things could change during August as we get deeper into hurricane season. All the bad weather is up to the north. You can see a couple of watch boxes there. High pressure over the southeast, churning in moisture into the southeast. But it's also changing our wind direction. We've had a southeasterly flow bringing these afternoon storms and setting the stage for our typical summertime weather. But for a couple of days, we're going to have more of a northeasterly flow, bringing in some drier air. In fact, if you look at the water vapor image, you can see some of that dry air trying to filter in, but with these sea breezes from both coasts, you have to have a sustained, strong flow coming from the north to bring in any substantial drier air. But it's going to drop off our rain chances a little bit as we move into Sunday. Tomorrow, we still have a pretty good chance. Now, look at these storms. We're looking for the last few hours. This is a long loop. I'm sorry about it, but these storms now moving westward toward the Sun Coast, and they'll probably be here within the next hour and tapering off by 10 or 11 o'clock. One more look as we look into the evening hours as we move in our direction. Here's our futurecast showing the prediction as we move into 8 o'clock. There they are coming westward, reaching the coast and bay waters, but they move past very quickly. The rest of the night dry. But look what happens about sunrise, 7, 8, 9, maybe another chance of storms coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. So here's our boating and beach forecast for Saturday. Southeast winds becoming southwesterly to 5 knots. Seas 2 feet or less, while bay and inland waters will be smooth. Should be a great beach day, but watch out for the afternoon lightning and maybe even some morning storms too. Isolated thunderstorms, beach temperature 90 degrees. Our water temperature 87 with that UV index at 11. What do you expect? We're in the middle of summer. Here's my forecast for tonight. Partly cloudy skies with a 50% chance of showers early on, and then it drops off to like 10 or 20%. 75 the low tonight with light winds, and for tomorrow, partly sunny day, chance of morning and afternoon showers at 50%, 92. And here is the 7-day outlook showing a less chance on Sunday and Monday, but we go back to that typical summertime pattern on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. That's your weather.